Hello, my name is Christina McWilliams, and I'm going to give you a tour of my studio. We start here, some hats and tiebacks for newborn girls, and some hats and outfits for boys. And then there's all kinds of wraps there. Moving along here, we've got some blankets, all different colors and textures, and some containers to put your newborn into. Go into this room here. This is the client room. This is where mom and dad can relax while I'm taking pictures of their baby. You can have a cup of coffee. If they have a toddler with them, there's some toys to keep them entertained, some stuffed animals, and some books. On this wall, we've got some wall art and some samples of baby's first year books. It's one of the specials that I offer. This is also the room where I do ordering sessions, so I use that projector. And on the table here, got some samples of some of the products that I offer. This is a beautiful box that holds 5x7 mounted prints. And here are some albums. So we go out this door now and down this hallway, where you can see some more of the products that I offer. These are samples of mounted wall art. And these are mounted on wood. And on this easel you can see my beautiful girl Zara. Isn't she adorable? We go through this door into the studio. And I've got this little alcove here that I can use for setting up different types of sets. Right now it's ready for a little person to sit in the chair with a flowery spring backdrop. You can also put a different backdrop up here, and actually on this wall too. Anyways, that's the tour of my studio. Go back down the hall here and out. I hope to see you here very soon, and have a great day. Bye.